how to price yourself as a graphic designer, and I will share a secret at the end. When I started, I charged less than £100, and this is something that I was comfortable with. However, over time, as I grew as a designer, I kept on charging the same prices, as I had no idea of what I should charge, what other people charge, and how they figure out their price. So I was undercharging myself due to this. I know as a freelance designer, it is very easy for people to take advantage of us. This is because clients think that our work is not worth it, that our work doesn't take long, and that they could do it themselves. This leads to a lot of designers undercharging themselves. So today I want to help you guys out, figure out everything about pricing, and figure out how to value yourself so you never undervalue yourself again. So here is my first piece of advice. Price yourself not based on deliverables, but the value added. So inside my pricing right now, I include working costs, time, demand, deliverables, skills, and experience, and most importantly, the value added. This assesses the business position, need, and value perception. But how do you know the value that you can offer? This is something difficult to find out if you have never thought about it. So it is very important to have a look at your strengths and weaknesses. And your weaknesses don't always have to be strengths, you can turn them into positives. So with the strengths, you can be really good at illustrations, and that is a unique selling point because not every single brand designer does illustrations. So it is important to have a look at your competition, see what is already out there and what you can provide that is different. So the way that I add value is by adding strategy. And a simple explanation of what strategy is basically that I have a look at the target audience, the competition, the market, to basically inform me of what the design should be. So my designs are strategic. This means that my designs attracts the clients and allows my clients to stand out from competition. Another thing that I focus on is brand personality, and you could do that too. So look at their brand values and see how you can turn that into design. A simple explanation of what that could be is if they are a playful brand, you can use bright and colourful colours to reflect that. So now that you have explored yourself and the value that you add, let's talk about tips. Tip 1. Don't charge hourly. As in the world of graphic design, a lot of designers charge project rates. But that is because hourly usually means that you are charging less, because less hours usually means less money. But to get to this stage, it usually takes years of experience, years of practice, years of education, and money. But yes, you should know how long it usually takes you to complete a project to know your project's rate. However, you could end up working faster or something could be easier than you thought, which leads to less money. So why should you choose a project rate? This allows you to know that you are happy with the whole sum for the project, unlike hourly where the hours may vary. Tip 2. Don't show your prices. Showing your prices places a limit on what you can charge. Every business and every project is different, therefore they should be charged differently. And if you show your prices on your website, you are pushing either the bigger budget people or the smaller budget people. And this is not a good thing because in your packages, you will have something that is a cheaper version and a more expensive version to fit both of these people. And I totally understand why people put their prices on their website, is to let that client know that you are both on the same page. And you don't want to waste your time with the people who do not have the budget for you, and you don't want to waste their time. But what you could do is have an in-depth questionnaire, which pushes away the people who are just price shopping. This allows you to know that every single person that has completed the questionnaire really cares about you and your work to spend the time to finish the questionnaire. One thing that you could add to your questionnaire is asking about their budget. This will allow you to know if you are both on the same line. So here is the secret. Be confident. You don't need to price yourself at 50, 100 or 200. You can price yourself higher. And you don't need to slowly up your prices either. You can start there. All you need is the confidence to say that number. As why shouldn't you charge that number if you are solving a problem and adding value? And if you are solving a big problem, you should charge a big number. And if you are wondering what a big problem is, it is different for every single client. It could be confidence, or it could be representation of their personality in their brand. But it could also be attracting more clients, creating awareness, and increasing profitability. But with confidence, you also have to be the less risky option for the client. This means having a strong portfolio. And have recently made a video about how to attract clients using your portfolio, which you can check out later. Other clients may also need credibility. This could be in the form of reviews or magazine features. And there is a lot of small business magazines such as Snaz Magazine and Studio 23 Magazine. You should also think about social proof. Not every single client will need you to have thousands and thousands of followers, but it does give you a boost if you do show up as an expert online. And like I just said, show up as an expert. This means not only online and on social, this also means on your website and on the calls with the client. The best advice that I can give you is fake it till you make it. Act confident until you are confident. I hope that you have enjoyed this video and learned something new. I'm hoping to do more videos like this, talking about freelancer stuff such as invoices, maybe contracts, what to talk about on your first call, and so on. So if you do have any suggestions or problems, definitely leave them below. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!